How to log in into Facebook account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can log in into Facebook account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Facebook application in your mobile device. Then you will land on the login page, but if you see this kind of interface, tap on log into another account. Now here you have to enter your mobile number or email associated with your account. So make sure to type in the correct email address or your mobile number. And under that, type in the correct password associated with your account again. And in case if you forgot your password, there is an option to recover your password. Tap on the link that is forget password. Follow some on-screen instructions and you will be able to recover your password. In case if you don't have an account yet, you can always create one by tapping on the create new account options. Follow the prompts and you will have an account. So once you're done entering your login credential, tap on login button. And with that, you'll be logged into your Facebook account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.